Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you 5 powerful tips to help you learn Java faster and smarter. Tip number 1. Master the basics. Basics is very important. It's just not about something that you need to learn and then you forget later. It will stick for you along with all the journey. So don't skip the foundations. Understanding variables, data types, loop, conditions, function, and syntax. Smart small and build a solid foundation. Tip number 2. Learn object-oriented programming. Java is an object-oriented programming. So understanding the concept that related to object-oriented programming will help you a lot. Learning class, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, polyformism. Understanding this concept, they will make your code clean, reusable. Tip number 3. Choosing a good IDE will help you a lot and make your life more easy. There are some IDEs like IntelliJ or Eclipse will make your work more fast and will make you more productive. They providing autocomplete code, debugging, and project management. So install one of those IDE, see which one you are comfortable more with, and try to master it. It will save the time and help you to write a better code. Tip number 4. Explore libraries and framework. Java is a huge ecosystem. Do you want to build an web applications? Try to learn Spring framework, specifically Spring Boot. It will boost your coding, avoiding a lot of boiler codes and make the work more fast. Need to work with the utility, try to understanding or play with the libraries like Apache Commons. Learn how to add libraries to your project, play with them. It will make your work more fast and make you more productive. And finally, join the committee. Don't learn alone. Try to join some forums like Stack Overflow, participate in some open source project on GitHub, join to some Java groups in the social media. All those things will help you to grow up, give you inspiration, and keep you stay up to date with the latest information updated about the Java. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next video.